Mr. Trini, how to get that swing? Oh, yeah. You have the piece in your left pocket, 5 cents in your right, 10 cents in your back pocket. Say we on the side, in front, under your vest. Stick to the law, no come. If you want to learn, I explain to her. Cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar. Cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar. Come again. Cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar. Oh, cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar. She said she don't like the pace, we going too slow. So she want me walk up the pace and raise the tempo. Cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, dollar. 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 When I thought she had enough and she can't stand it, grind she ball. Forget the small change, give me big money, woo 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 wine. Dollar, 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 dollar.